When we started Meshworks, we started with mesh sourcing, and that was a database of audited suppliers. So you could tap into, find suppliers across different processes, commodities, regions. And what that allowed many of our customers to do is find suppliers faster. But what ended up happening is that ends up in a quoting cycle. So when I find a supplier, the next thing I'm doing is trying to evaluate the supplier on cost, quality, and delivery, comparing against what I currently purchase, or if it's a new product, looking at the ramp over the next 1, 2, 3 years. And that RFQ process we found was historically completely through email, Excel, different PDF and Excel formats. And what ended up happening is buyers and sourcing teams still send and manually review and compare all of this information. That's why we built the AI Summarizer, consolidate all of the data so you can allow your suppliers to respond in any type of format that they use, that they're accustomed to. Our AI Summarizer will take all that data and put it into a nice table with things like pricing terms, shipping terms, delivery terms, minimum order quantities, annual amounts, annual volumes. What we've tried to do with the AI RFQ Assistant is allow buyers and sourcing teams to modify the table. So think adding tariff costs, analyzing different formulas and pricing patterns against all of the data. That's where we've been able to significantly not just help suppliers through mesh sourcing by finding suppliers, but also through our RFQ tools to help significantly accelerate and simplify the tedious parts of the process so that you can focus on decision making and the strategy.